Hello everyone, welcome to another painting video. Today we're gonna do something a little different. It's a pet portrait, but not just any pet portrait. It's a royal pet portrait. The customer wanted her cute little dog Dasho to be in Prince William's wedding outfit. So here's what I did. I started by sketching it out. I'm doing this on a 9x12 stretched canvas and using acrylic paint. After that, I used a paint pen just to make the lines more visible. Now it's time to do the underpaint. And because the outfit is red, I decided to do a dark green background because red and green look really good together. Remember that the underpaint doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a base layer of paint so that we don't see the canvas underneath. Once the paint dries, the first thing I do is I finish up the background. I usually do this first just so that it's easier for me to just layer things on top of it later. I'm making it so that the sides of the canvas are darker and then closer to its head, it's going to be lighter. It's almost like a spotlight for the dog. Now I'm going to be focusing on the outfit. I'll put the reference picture up so that you guys can see what I'm looking at. As always, I do the dark areas first before getting lighter when it comes to clothes. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how exactly I do this, like a step-by-step, then just click the link on top of the video right now. It actually took me a while to finish the outfit because there's a lot of tiny details in it that I wanted to include. Okay, so let's work on this part now. I'm going to put the reference picture up as well. For this part, I also started with the shadows or the darkest portions. I also try to use a flicking motion for the fur every time I paint animals. After doing the darkest shadows, I then move on to a sort of like a slightly lighter color just to blend it out with the rest of the painting. After that, I decided to go to the lightest color. I just wanted to see the contrast and how I could blend it all together a little bit better. When you're painting, you don't really have to do everything in a specific order. I'm kind of all over the place as well, so sometimes I would do certain details before finishing the fur, and it's just for me to see better what I need to see first before I continue painting. Everyone has their own style, and you'll know what you need to get done first before you move on to the next step. Now that we're nearing the end of the video, after watching this, what you should do next is to check out my other pet portrait painting on this channel. I will link it to the top of this video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more.